Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to use Eternaland in Human. So let's get started. Eternaland serves as a home away from home. You can have more permanent progression in this. You can export item and to save currencies and friend lists via Eternaland for new saves. Eternalands allow you to save progressions you got in previous season and come to the new season with the head stat event currencies and the stack home and more. So progressing currencies helps with the vertical progression that awards you more and more as you play more seasons. The internal land involves human is a feature that players can visit to build endless creative building projects. In addition, the play server as a hub to store all your characters, accomplishments, currencies, and unlock each season. It will be your big bag of goodies that carries over to a new season. Here's a closer look at what to expect from the Eternal Land feature. And guys, as you can see in the image, the internal land feature on the top. So you can just click on that to open the internal land and go to it. So once you reach the level 20, you can visit your internal land via the game menu feature. So how to go to internal land? To unlock the internal land feature, player need to progress the main story and complete the quest. Realm of Nightmares in the Iron River. This is a quest designed for level 20 plus players, meaning it takes a few hours of storyline progressions to unlock. You can also unlock it by reaching level 20 and it automatically appears as a mission to enter internal land. And I hope you guys understand that how you can use the internal land on Suman. If you find this video helpful, so please like it because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.